I was thinking if we're gonna find a morel, it's gonna be over here. Is it's the only wooded area without pine trees.
It's insane.
Yeah. It's absolutely beautiful.
That's insane.
At last. Tell us again where we're going on the map.
We're going to follow the purple trail along here, and I found a lot of mushrooms in this area, and it's pretty level and we can walk around here. It's about a mile loop or so.
And have you ever found morels here?
Not morels. I've looked everywhere for morels, but I have not found morels. I've walked in this area here where there's some ravines and things like that, and walked through the ravines, but have not found any. And I've looked many years, so either they're picked over or I'm not observant enough.
Maybe we'll find them today.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Looks like Ryan found a little witch's butter. The first thing that you really notice about this forest is that it is absolutely beautiful. I'm thinking down here in this ravine will be a really good place to check out. This is a Mycena. There's a lot of different species in the Mycena family. We think this one might be Mycena leptocephala, but it's hard to say. Yeah, very common to grow on together in clusters and on pine needles. Absolutely beautiful.
It's like a yellowish.
Oh.
There's only like 3 of them.
Oh.
Let's see.
What? Well, that's small.
What did you find, Ryan?
I'm not sure. It's like a bright yellow one.
My camera doesn't like to autofocus for... There it goes.
That's so tiny. How did you see it?
Yeah. Boy, that Ryan has got good eyes.
So it's been pretty hard to tell if this is a vein cup or if it's a pig's ear. So we're definitely going to look more at this when we get home. And see if we can identify it when we get home.
I found a mushroom.
Oh yeah? More Mycenas?
I accidentally ripped a bit of it off, like right here. But yeah. There's more like.
Look at, they're all over. It looks like Dacropinax. Remember when we found when we tried to clone it? Look at.
Oh yeah. So it's kind of growing on a tree stump there. So this right here is called a candle snuff fungus, and its scientific name is Xylaria hypoxylon, and that's really cool. I've never seen one of those before. And look, they're just growing here in this little cluster. And right next to the candle snuff, we came across this. They're very hard to see. So they blend in so well. And This right here, so you can see it better, it's some species of clitocybe. I'm not sure exactly which one. There's some Nika caps here.
Oh boy.
Little tiny.
It looks like we have a little tiny puffball here. So it's still very young. But those are absolutely delicious.
Oh.
So we have a very crispy creamed and burnt lobster mushroom here.
I have a Jeremitis somewhere here. I have a false morel. Let me find it.
Alright, find it.
Here, hold this.
Some dryad settle. The bug spray mushroom, as I like to call it. We still need to try eating it cooked. I hear with the right seasoning, it's delicious.
I think this might have been part of it.
Yeah.
Morel.
False morel.
It's part of it.
So there's a lot of lore saying that you can't eat these, but
well,
if you,
yeah, there's stuff that says you can.
if you cook them correctly, like a morel, other sources say that you can eat these. I've never had them personally myself, but wow, that's a cool find.
There's just one, it's all one. I checked for others, but found a few other things.
So this is called a Gray's Night fungus, and it has deadly toxins in it, so it is poisonous. And we also found a little baby dead man's finger, and looks like it's just sprouting. So here we can see veined cup growing, and these are ascomyces, which is a good indication that it is morel season. One thing that we noticed when we got here is that there are a lot of pine trees, which isn't particularly good for sprouting morels, since we really need like elm trees or apple trees, ash trees, willows actually, because they are a type of cottonwood tree, and so forth. But maybe we can find some more of the kind of trees we need further down. Let's get it on camera. So it looks like some kind of fungus has covered and sprouted on this animal turd. And I've never seen anything like that. I have no idea what it is. But hey, look at this. That's definitely some reishi. Hey, look, it's already been detached. So it's very dry. Looks like it grew out of this little hole right there. So here we have some little tiny species of field cap, and you can kind of see, in comparison to the size of my finger here. So it's some species of agrocybe. Find some reishi.
Oh, nice.
Ah, the little ones. So we got something here. First. So our first morel in a forest here on the Nordic Trail. Well, technically our second. Our first one was in the backyard, but that is just so awesome. I'm super excited, and I found it locating this polypore here. But absolutely beautiful.
Did you find it here?
Hey Ryan, we found a morel.
Did you find it here or in the woods?
No, it's right here. It's still here.
Oh,
It's still attached.
Well, I wonder how many people have, like me, have searched for morels and walked right past it. Well, if there's one, there's got to be more. I'm thinking.
We walked right past it. It's right here. Isn't that awesome?
I've walked this past.
Yeah.
Morel.
You want me to pick it?
Yeah, if you want to
Yeah,
cut it.
I'll get it.
I was thinking if we're gonna find a morel, it's gonna be over here. Is it's the only wooded area without pine trees.
It's insane.
Yeah. It's absolutely beautiful.
That's insane.
At last.
Just keep searching this apart.
Yeah. Usually they grow in clusters.
Does anyone want it or should I?
Yeah, put it in your bag. We'll clone it.
And I've walked this.
Oh, you found another one.
Look at this.
All right, I'm coming.
It might be yellow. It could be free. Dude, we need to come here more often. Just go around here and you'll see one. Just go around here. See that? It looks like a yellow. Wait. Holy cow. Look at that. Smells good too. I mean, not like good, but like decent. Oh, we found another. We found another one.
Ooh, that's a nice size one. Boy, that's beauty. Wow. How you guys could find these, and I've walked this thing 100 times and I haven't found them.
Well, this is definitely the spot.
Yeah.
Over here.
No, but it's something else. Look. I don't know. Hey, I found something else too. Here, do you want to exchange? I'll take the.
And here, this is the area where I kind of ignore because I figure, well, I can't find any mushrooms along here.
Yeah, it's a collision of two different ecosystems. We're gonna try to get back here. It's just really thick, but it's also down this hill.
No, that's good. No. Oh, yeah, is there a hill here?
Yeah, there's a hill going down.
Okay, I watch the view. It's simply going on the south-facing slope. This is perfect.
Well,
Also,
I have heard that too. I've also heard that, I mean, we just found them on the top side of the slope, so. This is like really thick brush. And for me, with still a broken arm, it's...
Here, let me try. I can do it. Hey, whoa. Here.
Hey, it looks like some crowded parchment.
Oh yeah.
Right here. It's very dry and dead, but crowded leaf parchment. The things we'll do for morel mushrooms. It's worth the morale. It's a big boost to our morale to find morels.
So it's 3 here because we found that one you stepped on. There was one you guys found and the one I found.
Yeah. They're definitely growing in clusters. Maybe it knows that it can get better wind up
That's
there.
true, yeah. Well, and the thing at first, they grow pretty decently far away from wherever the tree they're with is. It's not going to be like,
Yeah.
it's not like mega cops or anything like that where it like grows
Yeah.
almost on it.
There's definitely a lot of competition, root competition over here. I don't
It
know.
almost seems like they were from more grassy areas.
Yeah,
You know,
I've
it's not
noticed.
like it's not like tiny. It's
Well, we don't have a lot of data personally to go on, but
Yeah, but I mean, all we found was.
yeah. Yeah.
It's like, see this? This is probably where they're coming from. See this? It's a dying elm. See that? This is. I bet you $1 million this is where they're coming from. So if
Found
we
a
just go
possible
back up,
source.
if we just go back up, we could probably do it.
Oh my goodness.
What?
We're about to miss the mother load. Holy things we're not going to say on.
What's that?
We found the mothership.
See this? We're going from that one tree. Wait, do you want me to get this one? Here, I have my knife.
Yeah, do the honors, but get down there. I just want to.
Oh,
Sorry.
Here, I got it. You're also gonna hurt it to my slim. Don't do that.
Wow. No, here, put this in your bag.
This is my mushroom. This is what got me into all of this.
I know. This is like.
Dude, what the heck?
We found a pack
That's
of
black.
unicorns.
That's not half free. That's black. Dude, it's like all three.
So we got black and white.
And yellow, I think, maybe.
I mean, sorry, black and yellow, my mistake.
Half free we got too. Look at that. Look at that thing. Holy. Dude, what the heck? Bro.
You see that other one down there?
Yeah, that's the yellow. See that? See that, guys? See that? How it's more yellow in color?
Let's see if I can zoom in from here.
There's tons. There's more than just those.
I'm glad we came back here. See, right when you start to give up.
Yeah, guys.
Don't give up.
Motivation.
Here.
Hang on. I'm gonna get this one first.
I'll trade you. I want to.
Okay,
Get a shot of
yeah,
that
get them the yellow one.
Are you sure this? I think this is yellow. It's just it's dry
true.
and dead.
That's true.
See, it's not black. It's just.
Well, yeah, sometimes they're.
It's yellow, but
That's true.
It just started to die a little.
It's called a
Slow
blonde
dry.
morel, then. I think that's what they're called. Terminology. They won't break in here, will they?
They are fragile, but it's fine.
It's okay.
We got plenty of material to clone. Wow.
Hang on, let's keep looking. See that thing?
Yeah, it's this dead tree.
I thought I saw someone over there. This is an elm too. It's all elms.
Oh, hey, look. Under the bark. Under the bark here. Under the bark. See, everyone? Sometimes you have to look under stuff, too.
That's yellow.
Yeah, definitely.
That's definitely yellow. Yeah, for
Here.
the under stuff.
Yeah. I just want to... They're like, oh my gosh, my tree is dying, and I want to get out of here and spread my babies. I mean, spores. Look, there's another one.
Seriously?
Yeah, right next to it. Let me see this one.
Oh shit, I almost got myself. Hang on.
Be careful, see it right there.
Oh yeah. Hang on, I got to put my shirt in there. So. Do you want to put it in here and hold it?
Yeah.
Here. Watch out, because this part's used on both sides so they don't fall out. These smell pretty good.
So, hey everyone, in a few months you'll be able to get the clone mycelium of these from us. Here you go.
Thanks. They seem to get bigger closer to the tree. There's some mold smoke here.
We're gonna have to spread out our find when we get back to the picnic table.
Yeah. There's definitely stuff here. There's a big one too.
So the oak was a win. Where is it?
It was over there, I just got it. It's in the bag.
Oh.
There's no cap, but it was a stem. It was a big stem.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
I want to get it for the camera.
See how big that is? It's really big. Look how wide that is. Look at the diameter.
Yeah. Is it the first one we found?
The first mothership one.
I mean the one that we found in our backyard.
Oh yeah.
Something ate the cap.
Well, okay, so it's probably a half morel then. Because morels, it's called that because it's only half attached, the cap.
Yeah. Half free. Here you go.
So
It's still a beaut.
Even if there's like a strong wind or something that could do it. That's what I found.
Some more Gyromitra Phos morel.
Those are the ones that are high in hydrazine. They're
Yeah.
like really high.
Higher in hydrazine.
Yeah.
Some people boil it down and burn off the hydrazine and still eat them.
Have I seen these? I don't know.
Let's see.
They almost look like those witch's cap. Well, not really, but let me see.
Yeah. Some kind of Mycena. It's a moss covered log.
That's two.
Yeah. Some dryad saddle growing there.
There's tons of that. The whole, it's a jackpot.
Oh. So lots of dryad saddle. Thank you. And what story would be complete without some turkey tail? I just want to get the morels only. I need to show the other stuff.
Yeah, that's it.
I think you should like hold this and put the morels in this pouch here. Well, this is our morel catch for the day. We do believe there is a lot more here. We only brushed the tip of the iceberg, so to speak. And yeah, it was a really good day, and we're super excited that spring is here and the foraging season has begun. And we hope to do a lot more videos. And we'll see everyone soon. And thanks for watching Galnut.
That's gonna be slow, you're gonna And on the